Mga Katimbol Vlogs, welcome sa isa na naman video boss vlog ngayong araw na to, August 28, 2024. So ang bus na gagamitan ngayon ay si bus number 5734 with registration plate number PCB 418, which will expire on March 24, 2025. Okay, engage D, school signs, and let's check yung mga gulong, adjusters, and oh, okay, ito yung mga old damage, no fenders, gulong is all good, adjusters all good, fenders are missing, and one all good with the LG sticker at the back. Okay, all good. Damage, all damage, fenders damage, adjusters okay. All good. And sarap muna natin yung ano. Yeah. Okay. Nice and clean. Always clean. Mr. Clean. Alright. Handrails are tight. All good. So that's all for our video bus vlog. Paalam!